Hi, let's put in the Clip-In Volumizer by Tara Hair. First, utilize the free color swatch included with your package. This allows you to make sure the hair is the correct color without opening the package. Now that you've determined it's the right color, let's start putting in the volumizer. Start by brushing the hair to ensure to get rid of all tangles. Next, section the hair with a pointy comb. Section about an inch below the crown of your head. After we've made a horizontal part, take a hair clip and secure the top portion of your hair. If you have fine hair, you can tease the roots area before applying the volumizer. Taking our clip-in volumizer, go ahead and open all of the clips. Apply the clips towards the middle first, closing them over the hair, working your way to the outside clips. Make sure your extension is securely in place. Release the top portion of your hair and style as normal. We like to brush all the hair to create a nice blend between the model's natural hair and the extension. All done!